everyone, here is a forestry talking about cutting down trees. Always remember to start with the notch cut, this will make the tree fall in the desired direction. It is important to make a back cut that will allow the tree to fall straight to the notch cut. Then finally make sure that the tree that is falling is not tangled with other trees. A final push is sometimes necessary if the tree does not immediately start to fall. Remember to step away from the tree as it is starting to fall. There you go, tree down and on to the next one.